What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a makeshift at-home DIY dog ramp for your rooftop tent. Is that a bee?
Whoa! Oh, what?
Oh dude, I just put my screen up. There's a bee.
Oh, no, won't touch it. Oh.
Do you see the bee? There's an active bee. Hey, get out of there.
Look. That's it. Yeah, boy. I'm going to tell you.
Get out of there. Oh, anyways, I'm going to show you how to make a dog ramp without tons of money. It's like under 20 bucks, and you're not going to have to buy any sort of crazy contraptions and things like that. So stick around and see what's coming next.
Do you want me to stop?
Well, what about the bee? What's up guys? If you haven't already, definitely check out the links in the description below. We've got lots of cool discount links, discount codes for a lot of awesome companies. I'll leave you to the rest of this video guys, and thanks for watching. Measure the type of setup that you have. This is kind of the cheaper ladder. They make the nice extendable telescoping rung one. So usually like a 6 or 7, maybe 8 foot max, but I think we have about a 6 foot ladder set up here. This is the setup we use to get in and out of the tent. It's a little bit, not quite 90 degrees, but it's a comfortable, that still provides some support. So what you need is a canvas tarp, not a regular tarp, but you can use a regular tarp. We use one, I'll loop a little clip from the prototype. I put your footy here. You put your foot on the tarp. I raised it up for you. Right here, see? And then you could reach, you could put your foot there and climb down, okay? Get a canvas tarp. This is a 6x8, okay? Mm-hmm. Well, before you get your canvas tarp out, what you need is, move this over here, get your cooler or your Camp Zero cargo box. All right, set it up like this, and this is gonna make the angle for the dog much better. Kind of center it up a little bit. Oh, don't get upset. You got it, Mr. Bay. There you go. That bungee is probably going to be a trip hazard, though. There we go. Now take your canvas tarp, and I've only done this once with this tarp, so bear with me here. Throw it in, switch it in, and drape it over. Okay, like that. Get the wrinkles out. Mr. B. Mr. B. Oh my goodness. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy, Mr. B. Yeah, there you go. And then I'm gonna just wrap it around and kind of keep it taut a little bit. Okay, loop it around one more time. The key here is you want it to be kind of taut. You don't want it to be super duper loose. Yeah! Wow! Good job! Oh my goodness! Good job, Mr. Man! Oh! Okay, like this. Mm-hmm. And then I'm gonna take, you wanna come around here, sweetheart?
Yeah.
I'm gonna take one of my clips here, and I'm gonna try and clip it into all 3 of the loops here. Let's see, 1, there's another one. Can you see, Chan?
Yeah.
2, and then the top one. They're all looped in now. So all 3 of them are secure with the, do you see? Mm-hmm. I'll take it for a second. I have 3 different levels here, or layers. Okay, take that. Don't forget to get your exclusive FTR shirt before they're all gone. Only a few left, so get it while you can. And you can basically leave it like that, or if you want it extra secure, find your pull it taut, find your bottom rung like this, loop it around, and you can do this any way you want, but this is just kind of how I'm doing it. And tie it back in. There we go. It's not beautiful, but it looks pretty good. Mm-hmm. And the really cool thing about this, center it up here, is I'll show you how I get into it. I can get into it, the kids can get into it. There we go.
Plug it in?
Yep, and then when you want to come down, you can do however you want. We just kind of treat it as like almost like a slide, right?
Yeah. Can I get
Now I'll
in?
demonstrate the Sea Bear. How does the Sea Bear do it? Look at that. There she goes. She's got no shoes on, but she usually uses her feet. But
There's my blanket.
ta-da! And now, go ahead and record, and I'll get me Stabe. Now he's only been up. Oh, Mom wants to do it. You're on. No. Now we're gonna show you how. Me Stabe. Want to go up? All right. So I'm gonna go up, and then Bear will come up after me. Come on, Mr. B. Mr. B. Mr. B. Come on, Mr. B. Come on, Mr. B. Good boy, Mr. B. Good boy, Mr. B. Good boy, Mr. B. Good boy, Mr. B. Yay! It's Mr. B. It's Mr. B. Yeah, that was your third time doing it, brother. You got this thing down. Good job.
Third.
Huh?
Third?
Yep. Well, twice on this one and once in the prototype.
Oh, yeah.
Cheap tart. Okay, now I'm gonna go down and we'll video Mr. Bay going down.
All right.
What's up, guys? If you find this video helpful in any way, go ahead and mash that Chuck Norris button for us.
All right, Sea Bear is gonna show us how she comes down first. We probably should get a stronger clip for that. All right, here we go. Yay!
Bringing it down.
There we go. And now it's Mr. Bay's turn. Mr. Bay. Come on, Mr. Bay. Come on, Mr. Bay. Mr. Bay. Mr. Bay. Mr. Bay. Mr. Bay. Mr. Bay. Come on, Mr. Bay. Look at him chilling up there, I know. He's like, it's kind of nice up here, guys. There's a hilltop. Oh. Are you coming, Mr. Bay? Are you coming? I'm gonna scooch back a little bit. Come on, Mr. Bay!
Mr. B.
Mr. Bay! 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 Whoa! There he is, Mr. Bay! Good job, Mr. Bay! Oh, you're so angry. Okay, I'm sorry. Oh, okay. All right, Mr. Bay. Okay, good boy. Good. Oh my goodness. You're on top of me. Oh my God. Ah. Okay. Oh, you're frisky. You're very angry. You're very angry. Yes, you are very. You're very angry. Okay. All right. Oh. And that's it. Simple as that. I ended up having to make a little modification here since the clip was kind of weak. So I just bungeed one bungee around the thing here, tied it to the 3 rungs, and then same thing kind of down here. And that is going to be the ticket, I think, to securing this so that Bear can come with us and we can keep the pup coming on all of our adventures. So that's it for now, guys. Just want to make this quick clip to show people that have rooftop tents and dogs, and they don't want to have to carry the dog up. Now, this isn't going to work with an older dog. We had a dog for 16.5 years, Mr. Grimm. Rest in peace, brother. We love you. But he had bad hips and things. At the end, he was in like a wheelchair. Not going to work. But for the younger pups, you know, maybe 0 to 8, I'd say, depending on your dog, you know, your dog's anxiety level and so on and so forth. So Mr. Bear is still a pup. He's just over 1 year old. So for those with younger pups, this is going to be the ticket. So thanks, guys, for watching, and stick around to see what's coming next.